Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got the most gorgeous hobo to show you today. It's just a perfect summer hobo. So this is a coach hobo and it's in this gorgeous bright summery orange colour. We've got one shoulder strap which you can also extend to make into a longer strap. So you just do that by pulling that strap through like that, and then it slides through here. And then you can see, we'll pop that leather tassel off so you can see properly. But then it just slides right through here. And then you've got a longer strap too. There you go, you've got the option to have that longer strap as well. So attached to the strap, we also have that coach leather dog tag, and then along the back, we have one exterior zipped pocket. And I'll just unzip that, and it's got a lovely chunky leather zip pull, and then it's just a fabric lining inside there. Just get that closed again. And then the main bag has a zip top closure, again with a lovely chunky leather zip pull. So I'll open that up so you can see inside. So inside, really nice and roomy in there. I've got our tag in there, I'll just pop that out. So really nice and roomy. We've got two lovely flat pockets as well, and we also have a zipped pocket on the other side. So I'll open that up and show you in there. And then we've got that coach leather badge on the fabric interior too. The condition of this one, we have called the exterior and the interior fair. You can see that that colour is still really gorgeous. It does have some wear to the corners. So you can see just here, on each of those corners, there is some wear. And it's not a huge amount of wear, but because it is this lovely orangey, bright orangey colour, it does just become a little bit more noticeable. So this is the most noticeable corner, but the rest of them are just showing slight signs of wear on those corners. And then there's a little mark, little black mark just here, and a couple of little marks along the back, so just there and just there as well. And along the front, there's just a little bit of a scratch on the leather. So hopefully you'll be able to see a bit of marking just here, and a little bit of a scratch just here as well, and a small little mark just here. So there's small marks on the leather, but overall you can see that colour and that leather all still look gorgeous, but that is why we've called it a fair condition. The interior, again, we've called fair. There is some marking along the base of the bag. So hopefully you'll be able to see right in there, but right on that base there is some marking. So that is why we've called that condition fair on the interior. And then I'll show you inside the pockets as well. Inside those pockets actually are in a nice condition. So that's why we've called the interior fair. The hardware we've called good. There's just a little bit of scratching in areas on the hardware. So you can see on that strap actually also there's a little bit of scratching on that leather there. But just small little scratches in various areas on that hardware. So that is why we have called the hardware good, because other than those small little scratches, it's all got that lovely shiny silver look to it. It comes with, so we've got actually instructions for that adjustable strap. So if you don't have this video to have a look at, you can just have a look at this little instruction card. And then we also have the coach care instructions, as well as little coach card sleeve here. So you can see that's a little card sleeve just like that. The exact measurements for this hobo will be in the link in the description below. So that link is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you love Coach, let us know and we'll pop you on that request list. And as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. And that applies to anything that you have in mind as well. It could be Chanel, it could be Mulberry, Coach, Saint Laurent, whatever it is, just let us know and we'll get you on that list. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. And with that shorter shoulder strap, that leather has that really lovely slouchy relaxed hobo feel to it, and you can see that it just sits in that perfect slouch shape on your shoulder like that. And again, it's just the perfect summer colour. So if you're looking for a summery and relaxed everyday hobo bag, then this is the one for you. Go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website having a look at this, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter as well, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that discount. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page right on there as well. If you're interested in selling any of your bags, you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with Armcandy Bag Co on that page, so have a read through there. Don't forget to like this video as well while you're here, and if you're a bag lover like we are, subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. We've got more bags to show you every day, so keep yourself updated, and we'll be back very soon with some more.